Two twirly twins.
Two twirly twins.
What are we doing? It's a rainy Saturday. What you doing?
I'm watching TV. And maybe today we're gonna do another video. Yeah. And
Like what?
Like one of our series and it's movie night. Yay! What? My dad's buying us movies. So we can watch tonight. And if you already have your elf on the shelf, like we do.
What's her name?
Her name is Sophia. And she has friends.
Do you want to show him the dog?
Yeah.
Get the dog. Snowflake.
Oh, Snowflake. She just wet Snowflake.
Put it on the table. Move the stuff.
Should I dance her?
Move the waters. Yeah.
Okay.
But make sure she doesn't fall.
She can dance.
You want to show him? Let her dance. Let the dog dance. Oh, you're attaching the Sophia the elf?
Yeah. This is Santa Claus. He's big and his belly's like a big bowl of jelly. He has presents in his hand, which actually really is real. And we're waiting for kisses to open these. I don't know what this is. Me either does this. But he has a big beard. Now, let's see Elf.
Do you want to put him on the floor?
And you can see. Aww.
I think the elf is not letting it dance. You gotta take it off. Yeah, now try it again.
Christmas is the funnest thing. And you can stop it by putting in a cheap. And you can turn.
Is he running out of batteries?
No, she always has batteries. Except if you hear it, stop and you do press the G, that means that it doesn't have battery. It runs out of batteries. It's not.
There's Mommy's creation I made. Nice DIY. I'm showing him the tree board with the ornaments. There's our tree.
This Mama's DIY.
Oh, you can show him that too.
This is Mommy's creation. This is Mommy's creation, and she made this for Elfie. So she has a Christmas tree. Yeah.
Do you want to show him Sophia the elf's outfit?
Yeah. So, it's a
Although we don't know where the ballet slippers went. They're lost.
Stop. Like she's a ballerina. Yep. And we made her a bed and a Christmas tree and a little doggy who she can have.
All right.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time on Two Twirly Twins. Bye. Bye. Mwah.